Just see me wandering. Can't you see the states I'm in? Can't you see you're not mine? You're not my type of guy. Well, even though I won't stay long, you're still around here, and you know, so do I know that you're just wasted. You're just wasted breath. Do 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 da da da. And why should I worry? And why should I care? 'Cause the way you treat me, it just isn't fair. Yeah. Well, why won't you just leave it alone? Well, you're gonna be very, very lonely, very, very lonely that way. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Nia Ann. I hope you enjoy. And this next one is called, that last one is called Wasted Breath. This next one is the only Welsh song that I've written so far, but I'm looking to write more. And it's called Ble Wyt Ti. Popeth yn gweladwy, ond yn y nos, mae'r peth i eithrin yn fy meddwl yn fy meddwl i hi. W'n dau, w'n dau, yn fy meddwl i hi. Dian fy hun, ble mae pob un dwi ar. Dwi ar fy hun, ond ble wyt ti? Yn fy meddwl i hun, dwi'n ooh. really slow. Thank you. This next one's called Just You and Me. Please don't stray away. It's just you and me. Although you try and try to, but you just don't see. Please don't waste your time on discovering what's behind, and you try and try, but you just don't feel right. Please don't stray away. I need you, darling. Please don't stray away. There's a place for you, right here. Here we go. Here we go again. Don't you worry your pretty little head, 'cause I will take care of all the other things. Don't you worry yourself. No, don't you worry yourself. Don't you worry yourself, 'cause I will take care of all the other things. Thank you. I'm going to speed it up a bit now. Just going to go grab my capo. Sorry, I feel really awkward then. This one's called Dismiss Me. Don't dismiss my opinion like I'm wasting all of your time, when I'm always so patient, listening to what's on your mind. Can I do? Sit here twiddling my thumbs, quietly accepting that I should not say a word. Da 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 da. Yeah, 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 yeah. So now's the time to stop this from happening, when it's getting so often to take. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I don't mean certain that I should not say a word. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what can I do? 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 Thank you. This next one is a quieter one again, and it's called There You Are. On the ground, all eyes on you, but who made the sound? I wish that I could help you. I wish that I could help you. Walking by, moving on, but the thought of you is far from gone. I wish that I could help you. I wish that I could help you. I feel so wrong for leaving. The image of you would not leave my mind. I hope that you are safe and sound. I pray for that. I pray for that. I pray for that. I pray for that. Thank you, thank you. This next one's called Please Do. I've got an EP coming out in the next couple of months. My Facebook, if you want to keep updated with my how the EP's coming along, it's www.facebook.com/Nia Ann Music. And this song is called Please Do. Things keep getting stranger, and I can't describe how I feel inside. It almost feels like danger. I can't confront it, but I can't ignore it either. Don't know whether to run or hide. What's a girl to do now? What's a girl to do now? I cannot withstand. I can't embrace it. Please say that you can feel it too. please do. I cannot waste it. I can't embrace it. Please say that you can feel it too. Please do. Please do. Oh, it's made a room in my head, and I cannot leave it to rest. Such a pain in my side, such a pain in my side. Oh, I can't ignore it, erase it, embrace it just when you say like I should. Oh, I wish I knew how I could. Oh, I wish I knew how I could. I wish I knew I could. Oh. Da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, da da na. Ooh, ooh, I cannot waste it. I can't embrace it. Please say that you can feel it too. Please do. I cannot waste it. No, I can't embrace it. Please say that you can feel it too. Please do. Please do. Please do. Thank you. Cheers. This is probably my most sentimental song, and it's called Brothers. Oh, my brothers, you mean the world to me. I wouldn't wanna be without you all. Admire you all individually, and all I've grown up beside you. We all have our own distinct ways, and oh, how distances made me realize the need for you. Oh, my brothers, you defended me every day when I was in need of getting stronger. Inspired me, sticking my ways, and oh, I've grown up beside you. We all have our own distinct ways, and oh, how distances made me realize the need for. Beside you, we all have our own distinct ways, and oh, how distances made me realize the need for my brothers. Oh, for my brothers. Oh. Thank you. This is going to be my last song, and it's called Not Just the Material Things. I hope you've enjoyed. Always they're here for you, forever and always. They take care of you, they look after you, despite all the things that you put them through. They take care of you, they look after you, despite all the things that you put them through. Don't take advantage of their kind's nature. Don't take advantage. It's not just the material things. They're here for you, oh, forever, forever and always. They're here for you, regardless of what you see. They take care of you, they look after you, despite all the things that you put them through. They take care of you, they look after you, despite all the things that you put them through. Don't take advantage of the kind's nature. Don't take advantage. It's not just the material things, no. Don't take advantage of the kind nature. Well, no, don't take advantage. It's not just the material things. No, 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 no. Do dun 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 dun. Do dun 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 dun.